In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify with Dsers. To get started, head over to Dsers and create a free account. During setup, choose your e-commerce platform, which in this case is Shopify, and then authorize the connection so Dsers can install and link properly with your store. This connection is what allows your products, orders, and tracking details to move smoothly between Shopify and Dsers. You'll also be prompted to log into your AliExpress account so Dsers can connect you with your supplier side as well. That full setup is important because it creates the foundation for automated order processing later on. Once your accounts are connected, the next step is importing products. One option is to install the Dsers Chrome extension, which makes it easy to import items directly while browsing product pages. If you prefer, you can also use the Find Suppliers feature inside the Dsers dashboard to search for products by keyword or even by image. This can be helpful if you already know what type of item you want to sell or if you're comparing supplier options. When you find a product you want to work with, click Add to Import List. After that, go to your import list inside Dsers. This is where you customize the product before it goes live in your store. Take time to edit the title, description, variants, and pricing so the listing fits your brand and makes sense for your customers. This step matters because imported supplier listings often need cleanup before they're ready for a storefront. Once everything looks good, click Push to Store to publish the product directly to your Shopify store. Next, you need to map your products. In your Dsers dashboard, open My Products, then choose Mapping. This is where you connect the products in your store to the correct AliExpress suppliers and variants. Mapping is especially important for things like sizes, colors, and other options because it ensures the exact item your customer chooses is matched to the right supplier version when an order comes in. If this is set up correctly, fulfillment becomes much more reliable. When a customer places an order in your Shopify store, that order will automatically sync into the Open Orders section in Dsers. From there, go to the Awaiting Order tab and select the orders you want to fulfill. Click Order, then confirm payment on AliExpress. Dsers can process multiple customer orders at once, which saves a lot of time as your store grows. After the supplier ships the item, the tracking number will automatically sync back to the customer's order, helping keep everything updated without extra manual work.